Most sites that promise easy money from your phone fall into two categories: completely useless or painfully slow. Prograd sits somewhere in the middle, and today I want to break down what it actually gives you, not the shiny headline numbers you see on the page. If you've seen their claims like earn up to £100 a day or make money while you learn, you already know the marketing. What you probably don't know is what the earning process actually feels like, how long it takes to get paid, and how far those tasks can realistically scale. So instead of repeating their pitch, this video is about the part they leave out, the limits, the friction points, and the one thing that quietly determines whether Prograd will help you or just drain your time. If you've been jumping between apps trying to make a bit of extra income and nothing has stuck so far, this breakdown will give you a clearer picture of where Prograd fits into all that and whether it's worth even starting. But it's unlikely that it will help you make real money online. If you want to learn why most people never get to that point, grab my free guide in the description of this video called The Income Lie. It breaks down exactly why most people never make any real money online and what you can do to be the exception. Go grab it in the description of this video while I'm still giving it away for free. With Prograd, you get access to tasks, surveys, offers, and small side jobs you can complete from your phone. They also promote something called Get Paid to Learn, which basically means working through short modules and earning points along the way. All of that sounds clean and straightforward, but the real picture is different. Most of the earning options inside Prograd come from third-party providers, the same networks used by survey apps, offer walls, and GPT sites everywhere. Prograd doesn't create high-value tasks itself. It aggregates other companies' offers and wraps them inside a cleaner interface. That's why the money varies so much. Some tasks pay pennies, some pay a few pounds, and some never qualify you at all. Prograd talks about earning up to £100 a day, but the system they're built on was never designed for that. Those high numbers are technically possible, but only if you stack the absolute highest paying offers, qualify for everything, and spend hours working through tasks that most people won't even see in their account. There's also no compounding effect here. You're not building a skill, you're not building leverage, and you're not creating something that grows. You're completing time-based tasks for fixed, one-time payouts. That model can't scale. This isn't a knock on Prograd. It's just the truth behind every platform that relies on third-party task networks. They work, but only within the limits of the system. And if you don't know that going in, expectations get out of control fast. If you want something simple you can do on your phone, you don't mind low payouts, and you just want a bit of extra money here and there, Prograd works exactly as expected. It's clean, it's organized, and it removes a lot of the clutter that usually makes GPT sites annoying to use. For casual earning, it's fine, but if you're hoping this solves a real problem for you, if you're trying to cover bills, speed up savings, or build predictable income, Prograd won't get you there. The tasks don't scale, the payouts don't grow, and the ceiling is built into the model. You're trading time for small rewards, and that's as far as it goes. It's also not great for people who get frustrated easily. The screen outs, the slow task availability, and the tiny payouts will wear you down if you expect fast results. But if you treat it like a low-stress side distraction, it's workable. And if you want to learn why most people never make any real money online, don't forget to grab my free guide in the description of this video. It breaks down exactly why that is and what you can do to be the exception. If this breakdown helped you see the platform more clearly, subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.